So we're in LinkShadow. We're a cybersecurity analytics platform. Usually we're saying analytics platform because we have multiple components within LinkShadow as a solution. We have a component for network detection and response. We have threat hunting capabilities that we usually provide for our customers. And we have the users and entities behavioral analytics. We integrated all these modules together in order to provide our users, our customers, our partners, the capabilities to get more or to get the full visibility about their network, about their users' behaviors, about their, let's say, entities or objects, PCs, servers, whatever behavior, in order to help them to efficiently detect any abnormal behavior, any prospect incident that could happen, suspected users, any abnormal behavior that could impact their organizations negatively. Along with this, we're providing a kind of, let's say, business dashboards that can help the management to understand their security posture, their ROI for the security investments, their, let's say, all these details related to the management, without affecting without introducing technical terms, jerks that we usually use in the technical side. So we offer both options for the management and for the technical people. Recently we've started something we call it attack surface management, empowered by Metaverse. That's a new feature within LinkShadow, that we analyze the solutions, the devices, security solutions, or any other device or solution that you have within your infrastructure as a customer or as a partner. That could help us to understand what vulnerabilities you have within your organization, and we can help you to, let's say, analyze the prospect or the suspected attacker behavior within your organization. We can help you to understand how could the incident happen within your organization. Besides that, we're empowering this with Metaverse. So instead of just seeing a screen or seeing it as a static screen or dashboard, you can interact with the solutions, with your IT infrastructure, using or utilizing the, let's say, Metaverse capabilities or virtual reality. So with this, we usually provide, or we're helping the organization, let's say, to have the full cycle of monitoring their organization, being proactive in order to understand how could the attacker expose their organization or impact them negatively, for the detection and for the response as well, either from LinkShadow or from a technical alliance with other technology partners within the ecosystem of the cybersecurity. And again, as I told you, we can present it in different ways, whether for the technical team or for the management partners as well, if we're talking about this. So basically, we're saying that we're modernizing the security operations within any infrastructure, and now we're helping the organization to be proactive. So instead of just waiting to be reactive and respond to the incidents, we're helping them to expect, or let's say to forecast. Since we're having these technologies, or we're having all these kind of solutions, we might get affected by this kind of attack through this technology or through these strategies or adversaries, tactics or techniques that they have. So that's in a brief what we have in LinkShadow right now. Yeah. So beside what we're doing right now as network detection, as we're doing all these kind of things from here and there, so what we're trying to be innovative. So like last year, we've added what we call the AI-powered engine. So we revolutionized the use of, or the utilization of the AI for the organization. So previously, everyone is telling you that we have this solution, it is an AI-powered engine, or it is an AI, and we're utilizing AI, but you cannot use or modify anything within this solution. So in LinkShadow, we're making it in a different way. So we'll help you to build your own AI model. So for example, you don't believe that the classifier will be the best option for you to proceed with an order. So in LinkShadow, we're giving you the opportunity to build the AI model that you believe fits your organization, fits your requirements. And the innovative way of presenting, visualizing, building all these capabilities for the organization, it will make a difference for you. Besides that, we're also providing new ideas, like utilizing the metaverse and the cybersecurity domain. So this will be another key differentiator. Besides the technical alliance that we're building, so you can, instead of just using multiple solutions from here and there, and let's say that you have, for example, a dashboard for the firewall, a dashboard for another solution. From LinkShadow, you can do all the activities that you're looking for in a single pane of glass. So you don't need to go jump between the dashboards, the solutions dashboard, all these kind. You only log into your LinkShadow dashboard and you can get the details that you want, and you can monitor your organization. Besides that, you can respond in case if you have any incident or any type of cybersecurity incidents or whatever you might face within your infrastructure. So that's how we could do this. Again, it's a continuous innovative process that we're trying to concisely predict and detect what can we help or what can we do to help our customers in order to secure their infrastructure. So we're trying to build all these capabilities to make our customers' life easier. In terms of security operation, we're trying to do all these kind of things from LinkShadow as development. As that will be the continuous process that we usually do. So every day we have a new development for new features, for new systems, for new components within a solution itself or new solutions. Like we previously, if we're talking about 10 years back, we don't have the same technologies that we have this year. So it's a continuous process to keep monitoring what threats we might face, what technologies we're facing within the organization, and it's also a continuous process to understand what threats we might face, since on the development side or on the solution side, we are facing a huge and a massive updates continuously, maybe on a daily basis or maybe less than a day. And on the other side, the attackers are improving their capabilities, they're building new capabilities, they're utilizing the technology itself, doing their activities, they're conducting their techniques and tactics for impacting the organizations negatively as well. So that's a trend also. We should continuously monitor for everything that we're facing in order to keep our organization secure from different threats on different, let's say, domains or capabilities that we have. So it's a continuous process. We should always keep monitoring for new threats, for new tactics, techniques, procedures attackers might use in order to protect against these, let's say, techniques or adversaries' techniques or tactics. It's a flagship IT conference here. It's not only in the Middle East or in the region. It's a global conference that you can meet everyone from everywhere. So especially after 2 or 3 years of social distancing, e-meetings, e-interviews, all these kind of things. So now we can meet our, let's say, partners, our customers, our colleagues from different areas face to face. So it is an important process because you never know that if you're meeting anyone remotely or using all these technologies for video conferencing or whatever, you cannot guess that if they really want what you're looking for, you cannot feel them, you cannot get all these kind of things. So it will not help you to process. And to be honest with you, in GITEX, it's a chance not only to socialize with people, but also to present them, to keep our, let's say, partners, our customers, everyone updated about what we're developing, and to show them how we're supporting them, to understand their let's say, concerns, and try to figure out their concerns in order to provide the best solution or the best options that they might have within this. So it's a chance for us to, let's say, to exchange the knowledge that we're facing from different partners, different customers. Socialization, it's also another process or another opportunity for our sales guys in order to increase their profit and the organization profit as well. As you mentioned that we're expanding in the Middle East, so it's also another chance to look for, or let's say to have or to check where we can increase our expansion in different locations, to search for another partners from different areas where we have limited access. So we're increasing this through GITEX and the partners who are participating in GITEX as well. So that's a great opportunity for us participating in GITEX as well.